This video series is proudly sponsored by Chong Aik International and Cardo Systems.
What's up guys, Fahan here, and before we begin with this vlog, we just want to do a shout out to Chong Aik and Cardo. So Chong Aik has been sponsoring me. This Clover riding jacket is a 4-season riding jacket, so unfortunately they are not bringing this into Singapore. They brought this in exclusively for me. So it's probably the only piece in Singapore. But if you're interested in Clover riding jackets, pants, apparels, you can check them out at the showroom at Desker Road lah. They have a whole range of riding jackets. And of course Cardo, the whole convoy is using Cardo intercoms to communicate each other while riding. Couldn't have done this trip without Cardo, as it eases the communication between Tommy, the riders, myself. It's currently 7:59 AM, Monday, June 5th. We are here in Leh, in the state of Ladakh, at the Greater Ladakh Residency Hotel. I had a pretty good sleep actually yesterday night. It's not that cold as I imagine it to be. The breathlessness kind of improved, so I think I may have acclimated myself to the high altitude over here lah. But it's still kind of cold right now. Pretty bummed that the hot shower, the hot water took a while to go through, but other than that, it's all good. Oh, okay, look at the view guys. Greeted by Swiss like views at a distance. Of course, this is the Himalayan mountain range. There's a garden right below, as you can see. Hotel is really good. They're so hospitable over here. Hey, morning guys.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good sleep.
Good sleep actually. Good sleep. Thank you so much. Bit cold, but it's alright.
Now it's nothing. When you go up Pangong Lake, then you will know how it's going.
Oh my god. He's really rubbing it in. Morning German. How's breakfast?
Good. Try the rice. Try the sandwich.
Try the rice and
Both
sandwich.
are porridge as well.
So we got rice. What's this next to the rice? Porridge. Okay.
As porridge and poha.
Look at the sandwiches. Maybe one more sandwich because I love sandwiches. This is my spread, guys. Yeah, because there's no chili sauce in India, Tommy actually bought lingams from Singapore. Us Singaporeans cannot live without chili. Okay, so we're gonna give the sandwich a try. I don't know what's this, but it's vegetarian. Filled with lettuce, tomato, and some mayonnaise, I presume. Good. So I presume this is biryani. Biryani, is it? Is this?
I don't think so. They have a name for it. It's not biryani.
It's poha.
Poha.
It's dried crushed rice.
Oh wow. The fragrance is very fragrant. So totally different from what I've eaten before, but it's nice. Of course, cannot forget Tommy's lingam sauce. Gotta dip it in the sandwich. Us Singaporeans need that spice. Coffee. Oh wow. This coffee is very nice. Sweet, milky. Oh my god. So gonna fish up breakfast and we're gonna go out in a bit. Okay, we're ready. We're gonna go for a cup of coffee. After that we'll be exploring around town. See what they got around here. It's like a little quaint little town. Reminds me of some of the towns in the Middle Eastern setting. We'll just slowly walk down the street to manage our altitude sickness, because walking a bit like this can get a bit breathless. So it's not a matter of how fit you are or how strong you are, because you're not accustomed to this altitude, right? You can get really breathless and tired easily. How are you feeling, Dan?
Feeling much better after one night at the hotel, after a good rest. So yesterday was very bad because I had a headache. It's good now, all good after.
All good. I also feel slightly better today, but still breathless. You may see that it's sunny right now. Sun is very bright, but it's still cold. You feel the heat slightly, but then after that, when the cold wind hits you, it's like, whoo! Look at these guys, Royal Enfields everywhere. We got a Himalayan. We got a classic over here, the 350. Another classic, that bike rental. Another classic 350 over here. So as you can see, this Royal Enfield brand is a really proud homegrown Indian brand. So you see it everywhere in this region, especially because I think it's the only bike that is able to take on the high altitude. Not only that, you also see a lot of these Suzuki Altos. They seem to be like the Asia of India, you know, where in Malaysia the Asia is very popular amongst the car population over there. These Altos, they are everywhere when we were up here in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. See guys, I have no idea NTUC opened up an outlet here in Leh.
It's 60.
Market rate is 60.
Yeah, I changed when I come. It's 60. You asked me how much I want, I say 65. Of course, I push a bit.
So, bad rate for the money changer. Frank is not interested in.
It's not really not interested. I only changed 100 from
Good, thank you.
July.
Julie. Okay, so well good. We're walking.
This today free and easy is on our own. So I have to buy my own food. Yeah, so I spend a little bit on snacks. So now I may have not enough. So let's see next money changer.
For me, I'm just waiting for the new bikes to come. Then we can ride around a bit. Because walking is like, it's a workout. Just stopping by this coffee place over here. Oh my god. Stairs. So we got our fresco dining over here. Yeah, what do you have?
What do you want?
What do you have?
Coffee, which one you want? Latte, cappuccino, espresso.
Maybe 2 cheesecakes. Two cheesecakes.
One walnut. One donut.
Okay, so for me, I'm drinking water because I already had my coffee this morning. I don't want to get caffeine overload.
Anything?
Donut. Sweet treat in the morning. What's this? So walnut cake. I don't know what's this. So at Coffee Bean, I never eat a cheesecake. I come to India to eat cheesecake. Beautiful. This is espresso. Double. You are a true Italian. Italian. Going down the rickety staircase. Sounds so dangerous. But we made it to the first floor.
This is our tour company, Greater Ladakh Tour. Second time doing trips with him and probably a lot more. One of the nicest and most trustworthy guys.
Okay, so anything can engage with our dear friend Tommy. Inquire more if you are keen to do a trip like this.
We're definitely making it annual every year. We'll come here at least once.
So it's like a pilgrimage then.
It's good riding, good adventure riding.
So as we're walking down the street, see a lot of souvenir shops marketed as Tibetan traditional. The state of Tibet is no longer around. The people, despite not having a country of their own, their culture lives on. So we're in Leh Market, one of the tourist attractions here in the city, and wow. It's very, very welcoming. It's like a shopping street here, filled with a lot of handicrafts, outdoor stores, food. I would love to buy everything here. Bring back to Singapore, just because it's something different, you know.
Dating back to the 15th century, the era of King Sengaramgal, Leh Market is one of the main attractions of the city of Leh. More of a pedestrianised main street, Leh Market today is referred to as the main bazaar, serving the needs of both locals and tourists.
There's even a mosque here, Jamia Masjid, Leh Ladakh. I'd love to go inside and pray in it one day if I ever get a chance. Okay guys, we're just walking down this shopping strip. Lots of souvenirs for sale, gloves, traditional clothes and all that. But I have no idea what I want to get, man. I want to get something authentic, but yet not too touristy.
From traditional handicrafts to the colourful traditional Tibetan costumes, anything and everything can be found here. It offers a glimpse into the life of the local people living in Ladakh.
There's another mosque here, which is closed today, of course. And interestingly, in the mosque, there's like shops also. So I reckon that the rental to the shops goes back to the mosque lah. Wow, beautiful. Apparently in this region, dried apricot is a very popular form of snack. So they sell it like everywhere. I think that's like the third time I've seen somebody selling it. Hey brother, you got saffron? How much you selling it? Okay. I bought saffron for my wife. How much? He got a few sizes lah. The one I bought is 280. My wife asked for this. So I just buy for her lah. Thank you brother. Really appreciate it. I bought saffron as requested by my wife. She wants me to buy it over here because outside of India, saffron is really expensive. So here you go. So this is interesting. It's cold.
Yeah, it
but
doesn't melt. You can
no,
enjoy the ice cream.
no, it's cold. But these people are having ice cream. Dan, what the heck, man? So what flavor is this?
Kesar, badam, and vanilla mix.
Oh,
Kesar,
wow.
badam, vanilla.
Wow.
This is the mixture of both.
Okay, Kesar Badam. What is Kesar Badam actually?
Badam is almond. Kesar is saffron.
Saffron, okay.
Saffron, almond, and vanilla combined.
We are gonna try
We are
this.
having soft at 11,500 feet.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a nice sweet treat.
All written out here. So
Very
you
sweet.
can-
The flavor is like very unique. Certainly something I've never tasted before. Kind of like a mangoish flavor, but it's very different. What's your name, sir?
My name is Ali.
Ali.
Yeah.
I'm
You're
Farhan. Farhan. I'm from Singapore.
Singapore.
Yeah, Singapore. Yes.
Singapore.
You anything you want to say to the guys in Singapore?
Singapore, welcome to Ladakh.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
the cold weather.
Thank you, thank you.
Enjoy the natural AC.
Oh, God. What's this for?
Good luck.
Good luck.
Like a prayer flag, I think.
Yes.
Is it prayer flag?
Make a string, right?
This is 30, this is 20, and this is 50 rupees.
What's the
This
meaning?
means good luck.
Good luck.
Wherever you go,
Meaning good luck.
He will save us. This one is 30 rupees.
100 rupees for 5. Thank you. Right, so something that reminds me of Ladakh because whenever we are here, we always see this around at the buildings. Even our motorcycles, some of them had this. So for good luck, but for me, it's just a reminder that I went to Ladakh. Sorry if I cannot get it for everyone though. You just have to come here and get it yourself. What are you getting then? Shirts.
Oh, my bro was in Ladakh. Oh my god.
Bro, Border Road Organization.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to this guy. So he went to certain states in they tell the stickers. Yeah. Oh, this seems interesting. I'm a sucker for fast food. So in a little bit, we're gonna head up to Leh Palace, which is over here, formerly the home of the Ladakh royal family, and it's been converted to a museum since then. I just hope that the journey up there is not too treacherous for me, given that I'm out of breath all the time. This must be Leh Old Town. As you can see, all the buildings here look pretty old and rudimentary in design.
The toilet is there.
Oh, this is the toilet.
Window, so it drops straight down there on the door. Right? So we usually sit up there and
You sit up there and pee. Okay. Then after that, you use sawdust to. Oh my god.
So the top toilet then drops straight down.
We should have a look at that, but nah. It's gonna be a bit disgusting, I reckon. Some of these homes have historic status. Wow. So remember what our guide said, some of these houses, they're built of mud and sticks and wood. Probably lasts for around thousands of years, Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Some of them look like they're in ruins, but they're actually people living in there, Testament to what these houses are built for. Going down through the steps into here, we should have a look at some of these houses inside. Must be pretty interesting to live here. We are approaching a hill climb, so not one of my best fortes right now. Panting a bit. We see these Vespas, but these are not Vespas at all. These are NV scooters. Wow, pretty interesting.
Perhaps it's a rebadged Vespa, I'm not sure. Maybe if you guys can enlighten me in the comments, let me know. And of course, next to it, we got a Royal Enfield Classic. No jokes, yeah. How much higher is this climb? Just taking my time, walking slowly because of the high altitude sickness. It's a workout actually, man. You can see the palace already over there. We see a house in the progress of being restored over here.
A lot of these houses, they get funding from the government and the community, and they try to restore it. So this is one of them. But the problem is a lot of the houses are owned by private individuals, and some of them are like 3 or 4 generations, and they don't want to have anything to do with it, so they just leave it there. So this one is pretty much all restored, you can see.
Beautiful.
That is one of the older ones there. You can see from the windows. It hasn't been restored.
It has this sort of charm to it. If you ask me, it really brings character to the town, the place, the region. One in the process of being restored right now. Look at this. Hopefully with modern building technology, they'll be able to last even more. Lots of generations to come. Imagine waking up to a view of the Himalayas every day. Whew. Look at this. It's like a balcony here. You're just overlooking down at the Himalayas. There's a well over here. Look at this. Hopefully I don't mind if the turn on. Whoa. Water just comes out of there. Okay, man. Let's go then. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's very... The rock surface is very jagged. Wow. We got to climb up there and get to the palace. This is really scary. It's like... Oh shit! Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. It's like... You feel as if you're gonna fall or something. Slide down to the bottom of the hill. Whew. More steps. It's not over yet. Still got this to go through. But it's worth the view, man, guys. It's worth the view. So me and Dan, we're the last 2 people to go up.
Slow and easy, man.
Take it slow and easy. Yeah. We are certainly not used to this. Just a simple flight of stairs makes it so hard.
So high?
So hard. So hard, brother, so hard. I gotta sit down. Still trying to smile for the camera. You ready?
Let's go, man.
Let's go, man. Let's get out here. Leh Palace, hopefully the view is worth it, because it took us everything we had to climb up here. Look at the amazing courtyard. Got a house here. Seems to be nobody occupying this particular one because it's empty on the inside. But just thinking, going up and down to work or school, to live here, it's gonna be tiring for me, I reckon. As we're purchasing our tickets to Leh Palace, we're greeted by a sandstorm, wind blowing so hard. Welcome to Leh Palace, guys. So it's 25 rupees for Indian citizens and Thailand, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Myanmar, Nepali. Others 300 rupees. Look at this, guys, same construction principle applies here. Wood and probably mud, but these days they've updated it to cement to make it last longer. Overlooking down the city of Leh, the 17th century Leh Palace was built by King Sengir Namgyal, a great king of the Namgyal dynasty of Ladakh. Beautiful, absolutely breathtaking. City of Leh right below us, and Himalayan mountains just over there. Made of wood, mud, sand and stone, and spreading over 9 levels, the palace is one of the best examples of trans-Himalayan architecture with influences from the region. 5th level. Nothing much over here. Not the palace that I imagine, but for that era, I reckon that it is what it is. The royal family remained in the palace until Dogra forces took control of Ladakh in the mid-19th century and forced the royal family to move to the nearby Stok Palace, in which descendants of the royal family still reside today. As I explore of what seems to be the ruins of the palace, I couldn't help it but to feel a sense of fascination, the lack of grandeur and flamboyant decor, probably a throwback to much simpler times. It's like exploring the ruins of an old abandoned building. I'd love to go up there, but I'm just too tired. This is a royal apartment. I wonder if I can peep through. Unfortunately, we can't. It's quite dark. I can only imagine how it was back in the day, you know, how grandeur this place was. Probably royal family probably hanging out here, living their lives, only to be attacked by external forces, forced to be evicted from their home. All that remains is the ruins, you know. It's really sad when you think about it. So we're exiting Leh Palace. I think they want to hike up at the other side over there.
You see the two guys there? They're gonna hike up from here up to the top. But I am going down. I'm not going up.
Why are you not going down? Why are you not going up? Wow, what's that?
I'm taking motorbike up there.
Okay, likely I'm not going either because of my altitude sickness. Okay, so for now we're gonna end the vlog here. Yeah, welcome to Leh, and we'll see you guys in the next one. On the next episode. So while they're having some coffee over there, I'm gonna go into the mosque for a bit, have a look. So Zah, this is for you. I am exploring this mosque on your behalf.